Fairy Wand Tutorial. Leave a 6-finger section at the end. Start by twisting a 10-finger bubble to serve as the handle section. Twist two 2-finger single bubbles to form a double ear tie. Wrapped double loop knot. Make another 4-finger single bubble, a 2-finger single bubble technique. Fold it over and continue making a single 4-finger bubble, intertwined with the central double ear tie. Twist the top bubble into a barrier knot. Release the remaining air from the balloons. Fold it in half to find the center point. Pinch the center point to divide the balloon into 2 equal halves. Wrap the center point around the top portion of the bare ear knot. The tail end is wrapped around the central bare ear knot. Tuck the bare ear knot at the top into the gap of the 4-finger bubble. Adjust the balloon shape. And there you have it, your heart fairy wand is complete.